Morning, my dear student. Welcome to our Gyanjyoti online classes. So today we will discuss about the second part of what Nazism and the rise of Hitler chapter. Okay. In our previous class, we had discussed about the Treaty of Versailles, and through the Treaty of Versailles, how Germany was totally dominated by the Allies' power. Okay. Means Germany lost its overseas colonies, you can say markets, then 30% of its territories, then 75% of its iron and 26% of its coal, as well as Allied powers what demilitarized Germany. Okay, means the military power of Germany was decreased by Allies powers. Okay, and Germany had to pay compensation of 6 billion as war repair. Okay, so Germany totally what lost resources, as well as the you can say military power of Germany became weak, and the natural resources like you can say coal, okay, then iron, okay, these were occupied by Allied powers. Okay, after that Germany faced the great economic depressions. Okay, and to help the Germany, what USA, America spread her hand towards Germany. After that, the era comes when what Adolf Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany. Okay, so Adolf Hitler was born in Austria in 1889. Okay, and after First World War in 1919, what he you can say leaded or joined in German Workers' Party. Okay, after that it was renamed as National Socialist German Workers' Party, or you can say Nazi Party, and finally through his what strong words, through his strong speech, through his you can say through his strong vision, what Hitler got succeed to over what German people, and he find out, or you can say establish a dictatorship government in Germany. He totally destroyed the you can say policies of democracy rule. Okay, then after that today we will learn about the reconstructions of Hitler Empire. Okay, after that World War II, and World War II, what was the role played by Germany in World War II. Okay, after that the ideologies of Nazi party, or you can say the Nazi world view. Okay, and the racial utopia, then youth of Nazi Germany, and the Nazi cult of motherhood. After that the art of propaganda, okay, and crimes against humanity, then the Holocaust. Okay, so let's discuss from the reconstructions of you can say a new empire in Germany. Okay, so Hajalmar Skacek took over the responsibility of economic recovery. Okay, who worked under Adolf Hitler. The finance minister of Hitler, okay, who took responsibility for economic recovery. Then the state funded project produced the famous German superhighways and the people's car, the Volkswagen. Hitler reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936. Okay, 1936. Rhineland was reoccupied by Adolf Hitler, the areas which was rich in minerals. Okay, and area you can say before Rhineland occupied by France, but in 1936, Adolf Hitler re-succeed over Greenland, or you can say reoccupied Greenland from Allied powers. Then he integrated Austria and Germany in 1938. Okay, 1938. Germany plus Austria reintegrated. Okay, Hitler reconstruct what the unit Germany and Austria in 1938. Then acquired German, you can say speaking Southern Tangle. Hitler chose war to recover from economic crisis. So it was clear that what Hitler, you can say, established a dictatorship government in Germany. After that, the main ambition, or you can say aim of Hitler to what? To recover from economic crisis through a war. Okay. After that, this type of activity of Hitler, okay, led to the Second World War. What led to the Second World War? Because the policy of Hitler was very clear that he wanted to recover Germany from economic depression, economic crisis, and for this economic crisis he chose the way of war. Okay, that's why this type of activities practiced by Adolf Hitler, okay, it causes the Second World War in Europe. And you can say the effect of Second World War also felt all over the world. Okay, so let's discuss about the Second World War. That on September 1939, Germany invaded Poland. Okay, on September 1939. What? Poland. Or Germany attack to Poland. From this attack, okay, you can say the door of the Second World War was opened. After that, Germany started a war with France and England. Then in September 1914, a tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy and Japan when in 1939. Where Germany, Italy and Japan, these three countries were what came into a pact. Then in June 1941, Germany attacked Soviet Union, or you can say Russia, in 1941. Soviet Union. Then Germany exposed through both sides, from the Western Front to Britishers, from the Eastern Front to Soviet armies. So Soviet army defeated Germany at Stalingrad. Okay, Germanian army, you can say, got defeated from Soviet army, from Russian army at what? Stalingrad. And Japan bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor. Okay, and Japan who supported to, you can say, Germany in Second World War. Okay, Japan attacked the US base at Pearl Harbor. After that, US entered to the Second World War. Okay, when you can say Japan attacked, bombed to the US base Pearl Harbor. Okay, after that US joined in the Second World War and US supported to Allied powers. Okay, then after the activity of Japan or bombing by Japan, US drops atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Okay, so after the attack by Japan, US also attacked Japan, and US drops atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki city in Japan. Okay, and the war ended in May 1945 with Hitler's defeat. So finally, what Hitler's got defeated from Allies power when US dropped atom bombs in the two cities of Japan in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, it was the ending time of what? Second World War. So finally, in the Second World War, the Axis power or even the Central power was got defeated from Allies powers. Got it? So after that, after Second World War, let's discuss about the ideologies of Nazi, or you can say the views of Nazi. Okay, in what ways they wanted to rule over Germany, and in what ways, what were their thinking? Got it? So according to Nazi ideology, there was no equality between people, but only racial what? Hierarchy. So Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while Jews were at the lowest, while all other races are between them. So the Nazi party or the Nazi ideology always supported to Nordic German Aryans, and they were against of Jews and other racial community. They were between them. Okay, you can say Nordic German Aryans, they were in the top and the Jews are in the lower level, or the German people, they were headed to Jews. Okay, so new territories had to be acquired for settlement of Nordic German Aryans race. Okay, so the Nazi party, you can say, formed new territories had to be acquired for settlement of Nordic German Aryans race. Okay, so you can say, so a racial utopia what was going on in Germany after second during the period of Hitler. Okay, so Hitler divided and occupied northwestern Poland. After he occupied what? Poland, Hitler divided and occupied northwestern Poland. Poles were forced to leave their homes. Okay, educated Polish classes were murdered. Okay, in Poland, what? A racial utopia was going on. The educated Polish classes were murdered by what? Nazi army. Got it? So youth in Nazi Germany. Okay, what you can say? What were? How did the youth, you can say, played their role in Nazi Germany during the Nazi party rule over Germany? That all schools were what? Cleansed and purified, means Jewish teachers were dismissed. Okay, so Hitler very much, you can say, hated to Jews. Okay, that's why the Jewish teachers were dismissed from the schools. Then Jews, the physically handicapped and Gypsies were thrown out of schools and later sent to the gas chamber. Okay, so the Jewish people were burned by Hitler in the gas chamber. Okay, what you can say, Nazi party or Hitler soldiers, they were killed the Jews, you can say, brutally. Okay, the Jews were thrown by the Nazi soldiers into the gas chamber, or from the lower part in the gas chamber. Okay, the gas chamber was in fire. Got it? So a prolonged period of ideological training for good German students. Then racial science was introduced to justify Nazi idea of race. So in the schools, you can say in other sentence that Adolf Hitler was what? Spread the hatred ideologies in Germany. Got it? So children were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jews and worship Hitler. Then 10 years old had to enter John Wool. At 14, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization Hitler Youth. It was compulsory that the 14-year boys or above 14 years German, they had to join in the Nazi youth army. Okay. Then they joined the labor service at 18. At the age of 18, they joined in the labor service. Got it? So now this you can say this was the condition of youth in Germany. Okay. What Hitler spread the idea of hatred for the Jews. It was also taught in schools to, you can say, to motivate or to inspire the German people against the Jews. Okay, and every German people had to, you can say, give his efforts in the military department of Hitler. Got it? Then boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted. Okay. Then girls had to become good mothers and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. So all mothers were not treated equally. Okay. In Germany, if a mother deliver a, you can say, deliver a healthy baby, okay, then she will be, you can say, rewarded by Nazi party. Okay, and according to the deliberation of baby, okay, she also, you can say, got rewards from the government, Nazi government. So women who were born racially undesirable children were punished. Women who produced what? Racially desirable children were awarded. Okay, the women who were born racially what? Undesirable children, they were punished by Nazi party. Then women who were produced what? Racially desirable children were awarded or got reward from Nazi party. Okay. Then honor crosses were awarded to encourage women to produce more children or many children. Okay, so there were some privileges or some honor what gave to the women who were produced many children or who were produced healthy children. Okay, so women who didn't follow prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and severely punished. So if a woman didn't agree with the, you can say, law of Nazi party, then the women were publicly what? Condemned and severely punished by Nazi party. Okay, so you can say that the Nazi totally cult of motherhood. Okay, the mothers, they were forced by the Nazi party to give birth many children, or you can say healthy children. Got it? So in Germany, okay, what the women were faced lot of difficulties during Nazi party. Okay, if they you can say they gave a birth to a undesirable children, then they got punishment from Nazi party. After that, you can say the women who were deliver healthy baby or many healthy children, then they got rewarded from the government. Okay. After that, the art of propaganda means in what ways or in which ways the Nazis were, what you can say, spread their ideologies over Germany. Got it? So Nazi never used the words kill or murder in their official communications. Got it? The mass killings were termed special treatment. The mass killings of the people were, you can say, termed as special treatment. They didn't never use the words like what? Kill or murder in their official communications. Okay. The final solution, Okay, it was meant for the Jews. Then euthanasia for the disabled. Okay, then selection and disinfections or evacuation means deporting population to gas chambers. But in every events, okay, they brutally killed the Jews people. But what they never used the word like kill or murder. Got it? If they, you can say, used kill or murder for this special treatment for Jews, okay, after that you can say the privilege of Germany getting down. That's why they never used the word like kill and murder in their official communications. Okay, after that the Nazi ideology began to spread everywhere through various means. People that believed that Nazi would bring prosperity, but many others were opposing Nazism. Okay, the Nazi party or Nazi ideologies began to spread everywhere through various means. Through various means through television, okay, through newspapers, through magazines, through radios. Okay, the Nazi ideologies were spread all over Germany. Many people, they were supported to Nazi party, but there were also many people who were against the ideology of Nazism. Okay, then braving police repression and death. So the people who were against the ideology of Nazism, okay, they were arrested by, you can say, army of Hitler or police of Hitler, and they were repressed by Nazi party, or they you can say they sentenced into death. Okay, so severe punishment you can say were you can say worked in Germany during the Hitler's empire, during the Hitler's rule, and the people who were against Hitler treated them very extremely. Okay, after that the topic is about knowledge about the Holocaust. Okay, what was it or what was Holocaust? So after the war ended or Second World War ended, Nazi practices trickled out Germany, which was defeated. World came to know about horrors suffered by Jews and other undesirables. So Jews wanted the world to remember the sufferings they had endured during Nazi killing operations, also called Holocaust. So Jews, okay, the Jewish people, they were wrote some books, okay, and in that books they were wrote about their lives. Okay, how did they face difficulties during Hitler's rule in Germany? Okay, how the suffering, okay, how did the suffering, okay, during Nazi killing operations? Okay, that books were known as, or you can say that combined sentence were known as Holocaust. Okay, which were written by the Jewish people. So when the war seemed lost, the Nazi leadership distributed petrol to its functionaries to destroy all incriminating evidences available in offices. So when Germany got defeated, the Nazi leadership distributed petrol or fuel to its functionaries, to its people, to destroy all the incriminating evidences or proof available in offices. Got it? So you can say there was no much more proof or evidences against, you can say, Germany or Nazi party, because after what Germany got defeated in Second World War, okay, the criminal activities which were, you can say, recorded in register of German office, okay, they got you can say the documents were got burned by functionaries of Nazi party. Okay, and finally Hitler was also what committed suicide, and him and his family also committed suicide in a bunker. Got it? So these are all about the chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler. One of the, you can say, strong dictator of the world. Okay, and you can say the activity of Hitler. Okay, you can say leaded the Second World War. Okay, and through the Second World War, the world faced the economic, you can say, depression again. Got it? So let's take a quick recap of this chapter. That from the beginning of the chapter, what in the year we had discussed about from Weimar Republic, how the Weimar Republic was formed. Okay, after First World War. Okay, the Central Powers, or you can say Germany, got defeated. Okay, and after that a National Assembly was formed, and they were decided to, you can say, form a Republican government in Germany. Okay, the people who were against the Republican Party, they were also formed what Communist Party in Germany. Okay, then the effects of war, the effects of First World War, after got defeation in First World War, Germany suffered by economic crisis. Okay, and that was the period when Hitler came to power in Germany. So finally Hitler was born in 1889 in Austria, and during the World War he joined in the army of Austria, and finally you can say he joined Nazi Worker Party and renamed as you can say Nazi. Yeah, it renamed as Nazi Party. After that, finally in the first election procedure, the Nazi Party you can say failed to own the elections. But you can say due to the strong words or a strong, you can say, speech of Hitler, Hitler got succeed over the German people, and in second elections the Nazi Party came into power. After that, Hitler appointed as the Chancellor of Germany, and he destroyed the democratic government or democratic policies in Germany, and set up a dictatorship government in Germany. Okay, and due to the Versailles, you can say Versailles Peace Treaty, Germany, you can say, totally harassed by Allies powers, and you can say to change the every field of Germany, or to you can say form strongest nations of Europe, Germany. Hitler's you can say followed the idea of dictatorship. He destroyed democracy. He destroyed every powers of media. Okay, every field were controlled by Nazi Party, Nazi army, and you can say this type of activity, Hitler tried to got freedom, or you can say tried to got freedom from Allies powers. Okay, he wanted to you can say reoccupied the Germany's land which were occupied by Allies powers. Okay, Hitler attacked Poland. Hitler also reoccupied you can say Rhineland, which was captured by France. Okay, and this type of you can say activity of Hitler led the Second World War, and finally in Second World War, okay, Germany got defeated, and Jews were mostly suffered by Hitler. During the Hitler's, you can say Hitler rule in Germany, the Jews, they were also wrote various books, and they were, you can say, prescribed about their sufferings during Hitler's power. Okay, and finally Hitler got defeated in Second World War, okay, in 1945, and this was the period of the end of Second World War, and Hitler also committed suicide, and his family also committed suicide in a bunker. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.